Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech. So what we have here today is JBL headset, model number LIVE500BT. It has noise cancellation, works with Alexa and Google Assistants, can pick your call and do a lot of things. One of the amazing thing about this headset is that you can use it for more than 5 years and the quality of the sound will not reduce. But it has a problem. The moment you start using it, you start seeing that the ear pad starts wearing out. So today I'll be showing you how to change this ear pads to a new one. Stay tuned and make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell in a moment. So I was able to bought the earpad replacement from eBay, but you can get it on Amazon, AliExpress, and most of the e-commerce websites around you. So now you have to be very careful because removing the ear pads can be critical. You don't want to damage the hooks, so you take and you have to check. There is right, there is left. Now, this is the right, and this is the left. If you note, it will be designated inside the ear pad. This is right, and this means left. Okay, so if you want to remove it, you need to trace this. It has some edge here. Just put your finger and lift up gently. You see, this is what we have. So you have to be careful so that these hooks doesn't break off. So let's look for the right here. Okay, this is for the left and this for the right. You need to take note. You can see that this right. You can see. Let's check the one removed. Okay, you can see this designated right. Okay, you can see that. That's right. So let's have this back to right. Okay. Okay. You have to make sure it's perfectly key. So you have no space and you can enjoy the quality sound. Okay. This space should not be here. Good. You hear that sound? So you make sure no space is left around. You can see it's perfectly key. So let's go to the left ear. So I'm removing the ear pad for the left ear. Don't forget, you have to be gently. Good. So you don't break the hook. Okay, this is nice. Then we are dropping it. We are fixing the left ear now. What we did in the first right here, we repeat it here again. Make sure it's sound, and the moment you see a space, it's properly not key. It has to be key properly. So now you are adding this particular LIVE500 has used 3 years. Adding this new ear pad now gives it another 3 years, making 6 years. That's why it's good to spend much on quality. And if you want to know, there's a model number here. I'm zooming in so that you can see it. You can see the model number. Okay, you can see. Okay, so now we have our JBL LIVE500BT back, brand new. Thank you very much for watching today's episode. Make sure you click on the notification bell and Don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye bye.